That's actually quite refreshing. I thought I would be gagging at this point. All right, everybody, here is a very important tip. Don't actually use cold water. I know they say on the back to maintain the integrity of your workout clothes, use cold water. However, that powder will not dissolve all the way because I tried the cold water and it didn't actually work. I just put a sweaty rash guard in that I've been doing BJJ with, and we'll actually see if in fact when I put it on warm, not hot, but just warm, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on, and we're gonna see if by the end of this, if in fact that gross sweaty rash guard is still gross smelling. And it is finished. I am very, very optimistic about this. Oh, my sweaty BJJ rash guard has been in here. Oh, here it is. Okay, all right. You guys are gonna see my first impressions here. Just out of the wash, it's been baking all night in yucky sweat, and I was just washing it this morning. Here we go. Oh, that's actually quite refreshing. I thought I would be gagging at this point. Wow, it worked. However, did it actually dissolve everything in there? I mean, I'm sure it did if it actually worked. Oh, looks like there's a little bit of residue right there. How interesting. So even on warm, there's still a tiny bit of residue left over. Of course, I would say, based off of this small amount left, I would say that 95% of it was actually dissolved. It's just there's that little bit left. So definitely do it in warm water. Otherwise, you're gonna get a lot more residue than that, and the cold water just won't dissolve it as well. All right. Okay, so far, my messy laundry room, it passes my test, and that was an extreme test.